Treehouse!
Oh, look! They're playing musical instruments. Hello! Wow! Those drums are quite loud. Can they go even louder? What about a super quiet sound? Shh! Look over there. It's a butterfly. You have to be super duper quiet. We don't want to scare it away. That's right. Nice and quiet. Look! The butterfly landed right on your beak, Knock Knock. Don't move. Squiggle would like to get a closer look. Stay very, very still. No, Fluff! Oh no, Fluff. Your loud sound scared the butterfly away.